What is up, guys? Back with another video. King of Off-Road here. And we're going to be playing Off-Road Outlaws. If you're new, like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Now all I gotta do is wait for it to load. The mods and sometimes acts up with me. So if you'll get a little short video, it's because Modzin is acting up with me. Now, yeah, there was a new update came out, and I found some of the 4 finds. I only found 2. This is one of the finds. This car right here, when you first find it, I can't show you where the parts are because I already did it. Modzin acted up with me, and I couldn't, and that's why everything is already bought. Like, whole lot. There are new turbos, and this is the loading screen now. There is turbo, which I ain't got on this vid. I got the blower though. Now I have done some little customizations on this car. It is fast once you fully upgrade it. And it is fast, like for real. Really fast. And then we're just taking off my little car right here. Yeah, I know that's an independent suspension. I like independent suspensions. It looks great on this car. Now we're not gonna be, we're gonna play with it. Now my game is starting to run slow. It's because I'm hooked up to my internet. Let's go play on some multiplayer. And should we do I haven't been reading comments because I haven't got that many subscribers, and I need people to subscribe if I'm gonna make videos. I am going to go to look at the woodlands. The woodlands totally changed. It's got snow. It's big. This is where you find that black car that I first showed y'all. That was in my first slot. You can find one of the cars in the desert and also over on the map that I'm going on right now. Now I'm gonna make some people tour around with me as I go through the video. I'm gonna tell them I'm a YouTuber and all that. I will see their reactions. My internet is slow right now. Look, this boy got himself stuck. I don't want to get my Oh, he left the game. Are you freaking for real? I'm gonna... Next, who wants to be involved in a YouTube video? I know someone's gonna say, I do. And I will wait. Now, I will give you all concern to my private map. Just after this video is uploaded, just try to hurry up and get home because I won't be staying on my private map alone because every time you get logged off of it and go back on, it's different. And I am waiting for a truck and I'm not in membership yet, so I have to wait for a truck. And these mother truckers don't hurry wake up. Come on. I want someone to come in my video. Come in my video. Be in my video. Who wants to be in my video? Who wants to be? Now guys, I will be doing something. I will be leaving them a link to go check out my channel. So shout out to whoever subscribes. I wonder what she'll say. Where is it? Can you check out my YouTube video, my channel? Can you check out my YouTube channel? Can you check? Just cursed her out. She's about to say F you too. I already know it. She's gonna say F too. Mine is really lagging. She won't say anything. This has been our video. Please like and subscribe if you're new. And King of All Photo, peace out. Peace out.